If you wake up tired every day, even after 7 or 8 hours of sleep, your body may not be lazy, it may be stressed. And not just mentally stressed, but biologically stressed. Because exhaustion isn't always caused by lack of sleep. Sometimes it's caused by what stress is quietly doing inside your body while you rest. Most people believe this. If I sleep long enough, I should feel refreshed. But that's not always true. You can sleep for 8 hours and still wake up feeling drained because sleep duration and sleep quality are not the same thing. And one of the biggest disruptors of sleep quality is chronic stress. When your body is under ongoing pressure from work, lifestyle habits, poor routines, or constant mental stimulation, your nervous system doesn't fully relax. So even when your eyes are closed, your body may still be on alert. Your body has a built-in stress response system. When it detects pressure or threat, physical or emotional, it releases stress hormones like cortisol. Now, cortisol is not bad. It helps you wake up, stay alert, and respond to challenges. But when cortisol stays elevated for too long, it begins to interfere with deep sleep cycles, digestion, energy restoration, and overall recovery. Normally, your body should move into a calm, restorative state at night, but chronic stress can make it harder for your system to switch off. So instead of entering deep, restorative sleep, your body remains in a light, alert state. And in that state, real recovery doesn't happen. During deep sleep, your body performs essential maintenance. It supports hormonal balance, brain recovery, muscle repair, memory consolidation, and energy regulation. But if stress interrupts these deeper stages, you may spend more time in lighter sleep, which means you slept, but you didn't fully recover. So when morning comes, you may wake up groggy, mentally foggy, physically drained, and unmotivated. Not because you didn't try to rest, but because your body didn't get the chance to truly recharge. Modern habits can quietly increase this biological stress load. Things like late-night screen exposure, irregular sleep schedules, constant notifications, overworking without rest, skipping meals, or high daily stimulation. These signals can keep your nervous system active long after you lie down to sleep. Your body may interpret these patterns as ongoing demand, and when demand stays high, relaxation becomes difficult, which means sleep becomes lighter and mornings become harder. So if you wake up tired regularly, it may not be laziness. It may be your body adapting to ongoing pressure. Fatigue can sometimes be a signal, not a flaw. Understanding this is the first step toward improving how you rest and recover. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Subscribe for simple medical education that helps you make informed health choices.